Stop scrolling if you think the AI revolution is just a story for next year. The landscape of 2026 isn't waiting. It's already rewriting the rules of what machines can do. And frankly, it's faster than anyone predicted. Today, we are dissecting the massive shift from static models to dynamic agents that don't just answer questions but execute plans, manage physical worlds, and even negotiate their own existence in the cloud. We're looking at how the gap between human and machine intelligence has collapsed into a new era of agentic sovereignty. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly which technologies are driving this explosion and why your personal workflow is about to look nothing like it does right now. The biggest shockwave hitting the industry in 2026 isn't a new language model with more tokens or faster inference speeds. It's the death of the static query. We are living through the rise of agentic AI, where systems no longer wait for a user to type out every single instruction. Instead, these models have evolved into autonomous agents capable of breaking down complex goals into subtasks, executing code, navigating digital interfaces, and iterating on solutions without human intervention. Imagine you tell your system, plan a trip to Japan with a budget under $5,000. In the old days, that required a list of prompts asking for flights, hotels, visas, and local transport tips. Today, an agentic architecture takes that single command, deploys specialized tools for travel booking, analyzes real-time pricing data from dozens of sources, compares visa requirements based on your passport, and presents you with an optimized itinerary before you even hit enter. The shift is from query and answer to mission and execute. This represents a fundamental change in how we interact with technology, moving us from being users into becoming commanders of intelligent systems that operate constantly in the background. While agentic AI dominates the digital realm, a parallel revolution is happening in the physical world through what experts are calling physical AI. The integration of advanced robotics with large language models has allowed machines to understand and manipulate their environment with unprecedented fluency. We aren't just talking about factory arms moving pre-programmed parts anymore. We have systems capable of recognizing objects, understanding natural language instructions like pick up the red mug from the table near the window, and performing delicate tasks in unstructured environments. This fusion has opened doors for home automation that feels genuinely alive, where robots can help with chores, assist in elderly care, or even participate in scientific research by physically collecting samples in remote locations. The ability to bridge the gap between abstract language commands and concrete physical actions marks a major leap forward. It means we are moving past the screen into the room itself, creating environments where intelligence is embedded in the machinery around us rather than confined to a server rack. As these systems become more capable, a critical question arises about control and ownership, leading to a fascinating trend known as sovereign AI. This concept challenges the traditional model where every request goes back to a massive cloud provider like OpenAI or Google. Instead, sovereign AI frameworks allow organizations and even individuals to deploy specialized agents on their own infrastructure or within private networks. These systems are designed to be self-sustaining ecosystems that can learn from internal data, protect proprietary information, and operate independently without needing constant connectivity to the public internet. This shift is driven by a growing need for security and data privacy in an era where corporate data is more valuable than ever. We are seeing startups and enterprises build their own mini-internets of specialized AI agents that handle specific workflows securely. It's not just about running models locally anymore. It's about creating sovereign digital identities that can negotiate, trade, and operate with autonomy while maintaining total control over where the data lives and who sees it. This decentralization is reshaping the economic landscape of artificial intelligence. So what does this mean for you in your daily life? The practical takeaway is that your workflow is about to become invisible and omnipresent. You won't need to manage tools. The tools will manage themselves based on your high-level intent. Whether it's a personal assistant negotiating bills, an agent managing your home energy grid for maximum savings, or a professional team of bots handling customer support and lead generation simultaneously, The barrier to entry is lowering, while the power increases exponentially. The companies that thrive in 2026 will be those that stop building chat interfaces and start designing orchestration layers. For individuals, this means adopting a mindset of delegation rather than instruction. You will find yourself setting goals and watching intelligent systems work tirelessly to achieve them, freeing you up for higher-level creative and strategic thinking. The technology is no longer a tool you hold. It's a force you direct, and the future belongs to those who can learn to command it effectively.